Welcome to Geir Ivar gårdtur. I am Geir Ivar and I'm out on a lake. Today I've gone to try ice fishing. I borrowed a drill and gotten hold of the cheapest ice fishing rod as possible. So we'll give it a shot. I have no idea how well it will go. But I'll spend the day here, make camp. There went my mic dot thing. Sometimes it never stays on. Firstly, I am digging myself a little seat. So I have a place to sit comfortably. I have some frozen logs to put on top here. I can make a fire on top of them, so it will be okay. Next thing, I go out onto the ice, remove some snow and get ready to drill a hole. I guess I got to go through the ice to find some fish. Of course, I did choose a spot where the snow isn't deep on the ice. And also the spot just about where one of the locals told me it is a fairly good fishing spot. So I'll drill a hole here and then we'll see how it goes. Yep, I guess this is how we do it. It was much easier than expected. Much easier. There's already forming an ice layer on top. This is not good for my fingers, but so I took a break from looking down the icy hole in the lake. Made a fire, or I'm about to make a fire. Split some wood, got some frozen logs, and I have a seat filled with stuff. Oh, this was hard. I have a fire. You can see it's barely going. I had to spend a lot of matches. It's just a little bit of wind and really cold, but I hope this is enough. So if you can hear me, my mic is inside this back thing, blanket. My fire is going well. I'm boiling some water for drink and warming my lunch. But I got really cold on my feet, so I'll see. I won't stay too long, I think. Very cold today. It was minus 12 when I started at home, and I'm up in the mountains, so around 15 degrees Celsius negative. Water's ready, my drink is ready, and my lunch is ready. I can't film too much, it's freezing, I got to keep my gloves on, my cameras and mics and batteries are draining. But I'm having a fairly cozy time, but I'll pack up and leave quite soon. I tried some more fishing before I packed up, no success. This is my small campsite. My fire is almost burnt out, only the wet logs left. This was a night trip. The lake behind me is a good fishing lake, but I have not had any success here yet. But it's fairly close to home and accessible, so I'll try some more on some warmer day. So thank you for joining me on this cold weather ice fishing trip in the mountains of northern Norway. See you next time.